Good morning. We have a new recruit. His name is Uno. Meet Uno. Hello, Uno. Uno. Oh, goodness. May lahi siyang Labrador. Ito yung dati kong aso. It's Bravo. Okay, let's go. This is Pucci and Speed. There. Yan, magaling to si Uno. May lahi siyang Labrador eh. Yan. So it's his first time to go to the river. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. And meet the baka Rico Young. Okay, let's go. Let's open the gate. Let's go. Sara mo. Yun. Let's go. Sige, tignan nga natin kung kaya nyo pumunta sa ilog ngayon. Let's go. Harut-harutan. Okay, let's go. Where's Uno? Uno, come here. Go, Uno, go. Tingnan ko nga kung marunong ka sa tubig. Uno. Come here. Let's check the Pamatawan River. Grabe. It's been a week raining because of Habagat. Uno, okay, let me see if you can do this. Let's go, Uno. Uno, come here. Hesitant siya. Come here, Uno. There you go. Uy, ang galing niya ah. Wow. Napakita mo talaga yung lahi mo, mga matapang at masunurin. Sige, let's go. Okay, good job, Uno. First test of Uno. Yan. Ayan na siya. Eto na, the very famous Pamatawan River. It's the baby mountain. And there you go. Uno is very active. Grabe, tara. This Bravo and Uno. Ayan. Lagi niyang tinipis si oh, come here. Yan o, lagi siyang sumusunod sa akin. You know, baliwala. Lapat to siyan. You know. Uy, ang taas ng tubig. Taas ng level ng tubig. Dati may kubo dito. Ngayon, wala na. Uno and Bravo, Pucci and Speed. Grabe to si Bravo. Ayan o, ayan yung tubig. Oh, grabe naman. Let's open this gate. Wait a minute, I cannot open it. Later na lang. Okay, this is the river. Woo. We used to build a kubo over there, pero ngayon hindi na pwede. Mataas na to, grabe. Kanina nandito eh. Ay, sorry. Bravo. Where's Bravo? There. Bravo, Uno, Pucci, Speed. Come here. Go. There, they react to, they saw a dog over there. You know, grabe naman to. Sumusunod si ano. Grabe oh. This is how it looks like Pamatawan River. It's been a week raining. Grabe. Straight. Ang ano na to. Grabe. Yan na naman yung ulan. Gotta go guys. Bye. Thanks for watching. Pamatawan River. Masarap pag picnic dati dito. Daming kubo dyan oh. Ngayon wala na.